8239.
Press complaint. Raymond. It's going to be 52 Cape May Avenue. Resident there is a post states that Nick is screaming, banging on the front door, trying to gain entry, saying he's going to cause RP some serious bodily injury. RP states he is armed with a weapon and he is not letting the gentleman into his house.
8239, 8409. You familiar with affirm, sir. Yes.
Just be advised, apparently he has a gun. He is actively trying to kick the door in, and saying that he's going to kill the people that are inside.
Might be a duplex, and the neighbor called now and says they're both retired officers, and they're concerned for this gentleman trying to get in.
Appreciate it.
Route to that job.
Received. Units heading out to Cape May Avenue. Be advised, the rest of the active NCIC, and looks like a good APS.
409, anything further?
Negative.
Receipt. Showing out on Cape May.
Receipt.
Good, yeah, we're coming up to 54 now.
Woodbine units are 13 out.
Apparently that male is now in the back of the house. Happy.
8409 received. I'm still pulling up the street here. I don't see it.
3Com 867. Be advised, BNE is returning on 40. We're still probably 20 minutes out.
Receipt.
409 from 8522. We're less than 10.
Be advised, but that was a caller on the line. I'm trying to keep him on the line now to get updated information as we go. He says that he's definitely on something and he wants to fight. Connected with the caller. Where do you see him at, sir?
Complying for verbal commands. Won't show me his hands.
Compliant, receive.
3 orders standing off in the front.
Receive an ETA, anybody close?
A152, we're just turning on KMA now. Just another 8 minutes. 8522, 228.
Somewhere less than 6. 5 points, man.
3, 2 cars in the driveway behind the silver Jeep. Taking off on foot to the backyard.
So you say he's going into the backyard?
Took off on foot to the backyard. I can't see him anymore. 3, saying you don't see him anymore. I'm standing by so somebody else gets him.
8239 is about 10 out.
A152 is 4 miles away. I'm on KMA out now.
8522 and 8479, 3 miles out.
3, he's somewhere in the tree line. He's not talking to me anymore.
Receive. What's the nearest unit? How far?
A152 is 3 miles. A522 is about a mile ahead of me.
8239 is 400. KMA now. Past 13.
Receive, you're passing 13, should be close.
Negative, so we're about 2 blocks left. 3Com 8522 and 8479. Coming up on the house now.
Receive.
Next block. 840 now, what's your tweet?
Backyard, left side.
Received coming on also.
I guess somebody was off on Texas. He's sporadically answering. He's somewhere in the tree line. I can't see.
3Com, Peanut Carter's 22.
3Com 8152 or 22.
119.
3Com 8687. Tracking friends about 100 feet back into the woods.
Unit cut out, try again. 3Com, unit on the scene. Everything okay? 3Com 852. One white male there. Receive one white male under 126.
3Com 8522. Woodbine here is going to be clear for
41.
3Com 8409. Sir, unit car is going to be on a 30. Continue.
Receive 148.
Woodbine 8409. Thanks for your help tonight, guys.
Not a problem.
If you can clear me out, show me a route to the abandoned vehicle.
Receive 150.